Them the time that Jaden just a come live on TikTok. Him just a start playing match. The whole them time the Bling Alive used to keep. Bling Alive used to be the biggest live. The whole TikTok dunk pan Jaden. Them out for cancel Jaden blood clot. You hear me tell you say? The rankers, everybody out for Jaden. Jaden, who did join Bling Alive and defend you to the max? Blinger had about 16,000 people on her live the night. I never forget that night. Blinger have over 16,000 people the night on her live. And Blinger have one bag of people in the box. And everybody did in the box and bring down Jaden. And I was the only person go up in the box and tell them for low blood clot Jaden. People make mistake. And I may defend you to the max. And this is Jaden. And this is Jaden. So me just show you how people loyalty stay, you know. And this is Jaden. This is Jaden now. Watch you look a fucker. And let me show you something. You see Jaden is a little manipulator. Jaden know what I do. Let me tell you something. You see, one time, me used to pick up for Jaden and me used to say, you see any little content Jaden come out with? Me used to laugh and me used to say, that's just Jaden. Jaden don't mean nothing, but Jaden smarter than me. You know what Jaden do? Jaden low-key really a style every mama blood clot where you see him talk about, where you see him make video about. You see, true Jaden knows that the people them already look upon him and say, Jaden that man, you can't follow him up. I say stay. In this you low-key, forget where with it because I know people are going to say I saw Jaden stay. I'm going to pick up that long time. Because enough time you do things, you do it to Annie, you do it to me, you this with mama. If Jaden upon the live and somebody tell Jaden suck him mother, I feel like I want back because I know the situation where Jaden go through with him mother. There's been a lot. I remember who me and him did upon live and I think at Tavier somebody tell him suck him mom and he face change. And I say, oh God, don't say that. And him say, why you talk about Vanny, that good man? There's a lot of time you make video your class the whole away. But you know say people are going to go back and say, Jaden that man, no follow Jaden a content. You do it out of proportion because you know people are say Jaden that. Not anymore because you know what you do. And the amount of time I block you, this a time I now unblock you, I now unblock them because on the show no real. You show me who you show me say that on the depend me, I show me say that me depend to me no give a fuck. Who are next one? What name them mouth in me can't remember. What that one then? Jabbas. Jabbas, me could talk about it. Can me see up on live and y'all laugh. Jabbas, you forgot to say when the people then did come out and have grape by your name, Jabbas. Jabbas, remember when the people them come out and have grape by your name, Jabbas, and the whole social media dunk pan you. Who stick up for you? Who stick up for you, Jabbas? When the whole TikTok dunk pan you and a class you about the grape. Now me come live and all them time that me a skydive and a friend. Me and your friend, me a skydive and a friend. Me and your friend, me a skydive and a friend, and skydive and come for me live and frame you for something and that. And me that for run sky off for me live. And you come around and you talk about me too. And me not see the video with Abel making now. But if Abel make video for me, I'll block him too. Because Abel, remember when... Bro, actually, me pick up for everybody when me claim to see my friend if we really think about it. Because remember when Abel and him pile situation come up, me defend Abel to the max. And if you don't believe me, there are screen records. You just need to draw for them. Screen records are there. How much I want me pick up for? And soon I come around now. Diamond she hot for me. Monster come out come say shot him. Me roll out for you more than oh Rosalie roll out for you. I am Rosalie a friend. And me roll out for you and suppose you see how me class monster. I mean a monster friend you know. Me a monster friend you know. Suppose you see me class monster for Diamond. We in a court. I don't you call your name in a court you know. All I did was me hear me say Shane live guys. All I did was show them a picture of you. I never speak bad about you. And you come out and you throw shade and you class me. Me class you back. It done. Look there now. I am blood. What do you mean blam them attack? Blam them say you have the A word. I don't know, me not say nothing, you know. The only thing me do was laugh and say allegedly. Why me do laugh? Remember, me and you are no friend. Let's be real. Let's be real. Why me would laugh? Me and you are no friend at the time. And blam them say something. And not because me and no friend either. How him said, blam them talk, you have to laugh. Blam them say what him say, me laugh and me say allegedly. Where me ever say anything bad? Me coulda did keep up with blam them, you know. Cause remember me and no friend. Me coulda did say my two little sense, boy, yo. I did not. I chose not to. The only thing I did was laugh and say allegedly. You hear something going with me, you see you click your live as it like you could wait. You click your live for me. You sound so stupid because when you click your live, hear you. Ivany, she sit down and she a giggle. I know you're not cussy person with class here, you know. Just like in the court. I don't talk about you no cuss down, you cuss me. We show a picture. Blam them talk about you, me laugh. You no cuss blam them we say what him say, you cuss me because me laugh. Look upon you over there now with Rosalie. Does it give me a right to come laugh now? Me tell you say my mindset what me have now. Me just stay far from you. And me stay out of no business. When me soon on no drama, me no have nothing to say, bro. Me no need to go in there because I guess so. Me show you say without mix up, me still gonna be Vani. Me still get me views for my video them. Me still get me views for my live. Me still play a match and me still get gift. When me sow no business, me allow no business. And stop going like say, I show your love. I'm telling you something. Rosalie have secret for Daima. And Daima have secret for Rosalie. Daima love to come live, come say she no fuck Javi. Well, are we a blood clot Jamaicans? And if Javi is a gangster, as him say, oh, you no fuck Daima now. No, me worries about it. Javi, you claim to say he's a gangster. And you know, guy, we not care about TJ. We know TJ a get a long time. We not pay enough TJ no man. Me and him no friend neither, so you expect that. Javi we claim to say I'm a gangster, you this say, oh, you no fuck Daima now. I remember Daima love young man just like me. And none of young boy them where Daima used to fuck not have money like Javi. Them not have swag like Javi. Oh, you no fuck Javi yet. Rosalie know your secret go down to the ground where you walk pan. You know Rosalie's secret too. So you have to think twice now, you know. Yeah, you can come out and say, you believe, say, Rosalie says something. You can come out and say that nothing wrong. Remember, Akim did once come out to come say him did believe, said Rosalie did tell TikTok lawyer something too. Let's not forget. Let's not forget. TikTok lawyer did come out come say Rosalie did say this about Akim da. Akim go live and say, with digital footprint never gonna win. Akim come out come say, yes, me believe say Rosalie said this for true. I see there Akim and Rosalie now. So if Daima do come out and say she believe, I don't know that yeah, Rosalie can go back a friend. But why over there? But why you don't want to talk? You don't want to talk because you know Rosalie are going to jump up and come talk the things them. And then you have to go talk the things them. And maybe that are going to make you split. Maybe it are going to involve Akim to involve Javi. And you don't want it reach this. So you come a ball and not come talk. But when you like people, you don't cuss them. We all know this. We all fucking know this. World Dawg. World Dawg. Let's be real, World Dawg. Let's be real. I could talk about you. Yanika go talk about me need to visit our doctor. You need to visit my surgeon. If me need to visit your gyno, you need to visit Mike. You need to visit CG Cosmetic. So I guess the both of us need to visit the doctor because you know look so 100. You need to visit Dr. Miami for your face and go visit CG Cosmetic for your ass or your breasts. I could talk about it. Go down in a memory line. I could go down in a memory line. And when you have a man like World Dawg, your name I go call up, bro. Because World Dawg is known for call everybody name when he cuss people. World Dawg is known for go in your family and your friends and class people. So I will talk about it. Who remember Cody? I will talk about it. Who remember Cody? I mean, I go back in a memory line. Because I know I always say Vanya, liar than Vanya, this. Anyhow, me did have the Instagram page there again. Would prove it to you. Where boy in here, where did vex with me a World Dog one time. And in crash. He live in Atlanta and in crash and dead. And one time the whole we did go down. We did have one we did vex with Cody. Something that exposing did go on. And then Cody did go back go give World Dog how much lion. And me did at the airport and he come give me how much lion. Mr. Blicky. Yeah, Cody. Alright. Remember what did happen. And Cody did go Instagram live and I had beer girls pan him live. World Dog go over there in the box. Me go over there in the box. Cause remember Cody there look me now. Cody used to look me and Cody having baby mother. Plus the girl that we have over TikTok who used to give him. Who remember the Instagram live the one night when Cody did pan him live and be a woman pan him live. World Dog did pan the live. And me did pan the live and Cody did go like he want to style me. And me tell Cody say, man, me have to put up your cocky picture cause he not top send me hood. And he want me to come fuck him. World Dog never believe, right? World Dog name believe. And at the time, me did I send Cody pussy picture to him, pussy video. And in that talk about my pussy big, and I say my pussy well tight. And World Dog says send me picture, I send World Dog. Oh, remember the Instagram live, they have over thousands of people there on the live. Be a Jamaican. Me jump off a live and send World Dog my pussy picture and video. World Dog is still there on the live. And me jump back on the live. And World Dog has a van the pussy fat for true. And he go on like he did one style World Dog. And I saw World Dog class him. World Dog start classing for me and him. Kind of one World Dog pick up for me after I send World Dog the video and the picture them. And World Dog class him. I succumb me and Cody not talk again. And I succumb World Dog and Cody never talk again. Why you think long after? Me can go look it up on TikTok. One time World Dog go live and Cody go on him live go send him over 10 lion. And comment says, let's forget what happened and be back friends. Me I come from the airport. Me remember where me go. Me actually in at the airport, in at the bathroom. And Cody come over there, come send me over 10 lion. And me start balling at the bathroom. I think I do in the time when me and Mystical them did follow to me that talk about it on live. In coming at the, when me in at the bathroom and come pour me over 10 lion. And I suck on me and World Dog start talk back to Cody. And then couple months after Cody meeting accident, crash and go in a coma and dead. World Dog what you talk about, these are all digital footprint. People no fool, people member. At the same Instagram me did have till what day Skilly Bang sing skinny talk about me and me lose my page. Everybody knows say me lose my page. Anyhow me have that page there, me could have did show no. Me lose, it's a fresh new Instagram me have. Me Instagram me have a 17,000 followers me have on the fresh page. See there? A fresh page me have, new page. Me have nothing on that page. What the fuck you talk about? Where like you only come around when people have views, you know? You like to talk about people, and when you talk about people, you get real personal. And when somebody talk about you, it's a problem. What do you hear? Look pan it. Me I tell you, me ever pick up, me say me always pick up phone now. What do you hear the live World Dog? Me I show you all life wicked. Watch this. Wait, Papa. You the live what do you hear? You and Jaden go live. Uno have over 20,000 people on the live. Uno bring down me. Uno bring down everybody on TikTok. Uno talk about everybody. And uno make Candy come expose video with all blood clot down here. Because of that one quote there. And uno would even take accountability say uno mix up people for things dish out. You go live and you see the amount of views uno get on that. And you see say you and Jaden do no look a thing. You decide say you're going to keep court again. But you never know it never don't turn out in your favor. You go so bad and you keep court again. Imagine you keep court. Shay going at the court. And Jaden going at the court. And everybody could have said you was getting real personal. That's not how you keep court. You as a judge I get too personal in the people them business. Imagine, you know, mix up Jaden have to draw away from the court. Jaden have to jump and say, no, it'll get too personal. It's not fun. Shay have to jump and say it'll get too personal. It's not fun. World Dawg, you alone left back by your life. Remember, even the people them in the comments are comment and I say, go suck your mother, boy, it'll get too personal. Even your own ex-gang them with your logo, I said, just any live World Dawg, because they shame like dog over there. Me and Donia depend live and Donia laugh off of you. Let's be real. Able come, able laugh off of you, able start chat. Dummy come, dummy laugh off of you. Everybody laugh off of you. Who was the only person there crying Cree for try and make peace? Try and make peace. Remember, me could have laughed too, you know. Me and your friend, me and Donia friend, but me have a more ratings for Donia than you. Because you switch at any time. Me could have laughed off of you too, you know. Me could have just depend on your side and start styling, you know. And what did I do? Me say, World Dawg are my friend. Me nah, World Dawg are my friend, da. Me make sure you come for your life, bro. Hauto come for the life and me there try make peace through until Hauto decides him now. Want a friend for you, Hauto gone. Me end up stay so me could play one match to kind of take off the energy where I go and we play two match. And you come out and go like you want to laugh off of me and talk about my situation. The amount of time things happen to you and I could have come out and laugh and me love it. When Yannick must need a text man for you and you come out everybody and laugh off of you. The whole TikTok, I could have come have my 3 little cents. Things come out with you, I could have come have my 3 little cents. Me love it alone. Because once I consider somebody as my friend, me now go join in and laugh off of them. Me now go join in and laugh off. You see me? Once Varnick, one thing about me love and treasure my friend them. Once Varney have you as a friend, you don't have nothing to worry about. I will defend you to the blood clot ground where you walk pan. But it's TikTok. Me we have you as my friend. And I guess Unno is just all about making money and content. Unno no give a fuck. And that's why Unno now go better off in a life. Because you see on TikTok you can meet genuine people. You can meet fuck up people. And people are going to always have Unno as a friend. And you go have a real friend in the corner. And because of this content thing. Because of this content thing and making money thing. Unno lose real people around for views. For your one day talk. Unno lose real genuine friend. Because in the moment of somebody, I get a highlight and I lose a friend for just get a look of views. And after 3 days, that the conversation, they dead. It done for. And you lose your friend, and you go lose a beef with just gone. Nobody not remember about that a new thing going. Because why you think people now worry about Vanny pussy? My little thing where go and me get myself clean, me get myself check, me clean, that done. You think people are going to dunk Pavania and are shot front for 1 month? See Rosalie and Diamond have a new thing I go on now. My story I go dead. And it's not that me want it for dead. It is going to dead. Because Rosalie and Diamond at now call me. I tell us them I go at it. Just wait them. I go at it. After a couple days, who knows? Maybe a TikTok a fall out with them man or a family member who thief this or who get locked up. Something that go come and that I go dead and gone. We don't know that. That I go dead and gone. And World Dawg, me not see him. Hold on. World Dawg, woman, hold on before me add him 1 minute. World Dawg, woman, no, Miss Bean, I beg you do. Miss Bean, I beg you do. You know if you talk about nobody. You say me need to visit the doctor for my pussy. I'd rather visit the doctor and get medication for my pussy than have a fuck up surgery we can't fix. Your surgery can't fix enough. I saw me know World Dawg a batty man, because World Dawg a fuck me Sabine. World Dawg is a, but me can't fuck no girl will look like man, if me a man. You can't see the real Mr. Bean in this woman there. Yannick, me will visit your doctor anytime. One thing, me not afraid to tell somebody say when my crutch is a crutch. Me will visit your doctor anytime. Not when you have to visit CG Cosmetic for your face and your bottom will don't look good. Yes, me we visit a doctor. Tell the we down there. Me I turn on my request and him add me. Tell him for add me, turn on my request. Me visit your guy now when you visit CG Cosmetic. Cause no one come to people who in a no better position than people. Boy, you live better life than me. Girl, where? At $3,500 me pay a month for yes sir. USD. I can go for my chart and show every transaction. $3,500 me pay for yes sir every month. A mortgage money that. Me I look for you, me can't find. Shit, me take too long for N. Jaja. A mortgage money that. Oh, you're back there. $3,500 me pay a month. My car note is $1,000. Plus me have light for pay, me have gas for pay. All of them something they will include. Why the fuck you think me can manage to go buy a house and pay a mortgage? So good, girl. You know I go on like me I come, me I make you baba. You know I go on like people can depend on a level. It's same money when me I pay for rent, I pay for mortgage. Me can more than buy a house and pay that. Me not buy a blood clot house in our state, in our country where me no know me not no status. My son not even reach the age for say alright, me left house in him name, cause me not left no blood clot house yeah. For ice and the dirty pooper go take over my place, my property. You mad? Now remember, me not have a strong family like Unno. If you say, alright then, the family member you will lock off my house. Remember my family, them not strong like Unno one. Because when it cost me every day, say me not no family, which me not none for true. Remember, me not none for watch over my house over here. And me not left my house give no friend. So me no need for blood clot, buy no house, for just come post. Any car Unno have, me can't have. This is America, all you need good credit. You just need to go have your deposit and pay down your monthly payment. You know, go like you walk in a Mercedes Benz or go buy a Lamborghini cash. On a credit score you use and buy a car and pay it down monthly. Any car you see there have your car, credit run America. Credit run America. That's a man who use fake CPN too. Because on a credit down good, you use fake CPN and take out this and take out that. Where I talk about? But you know, live life. I don't live for the internet, I live for comfortably, you know. I live so I can comfortable. So now come about me woman. Tell your man to stop come about people. And everybody fear me more, you know. You take away Britney fame. You see me a Swiss start series, because me a Swiss first start series over here, whether I know I like it or not. It's just the truth. You run come in, you take away the little highlight off of Britney. You see Britney are just so good. You take away the little highlight off of Brit. You hear me say if you chill? You take away the little highlight off of Britney. Mash up your little girl. And when you take your highlight, you take it to your gun, boy, your business. Boy, you pop barrel. All know barrel can't go blood clot Jamaica. You thief people their money. Britney goes up and fall off. There's no world, dog. I recently one time I see when Zozo have a look of views over there and Britney night and Zozo and Britney are play. You run go over there go send Britney blood clot wheel. I hear this and me over there did I gift Britney first. Me first did over there I gift Britney. And him see it and him run go over there act like him a gift Britney for a little highlight. Now that Britney a fall on back, all of a sudden I hear the on screen with Britney and I send Britney gift. You know like to see nobody win. Then you want to use a come talk about anybody clout, me see me a come and fight. And then you come talk about you can't have thousands of people over there and not get no gift. Well dog, something wrong with you. You just come back on TikTok calm. Me see Rosalie have thousands of people and Rosalie I get gift and Rosalie not playing a match. There's been multiple times at A2 me in a world dog. It takes a lot of gift today in A2, A1 in a A category. So me not even have to prove anything to you. Use the ranking and it can tell you how well I'm doing on TikTok. A1, A2, A3 is where all Life Pro is. All top rankers in the US. Once you're in a A-League, you're doing fucking good. I'm A2 World Dog. It takes a lot of gift. It takes a lot of uni. It takes a lot of lion, a lot of flying jet. It takes a lot of gift for people give you for your reach in a A category. All you sit down and watch is views, views, views. A people business make you a command back in a. Since your name World Dog, just come on the live and chill. Make we see you do good by just being yourself. Make we see you doing good by being yourself. You cannot do it. Because the people them find you out and say as a little low life, dirty drunker. You can't do it. You have to call people. A whole heap of time me there and me just a chill. Bro, me have my 2,000 views. I clean and me have my 2,000 views. Clean Vanya, clean and Vanya have 2,000 views. Sometimes I just sit down and I do makeup. You have one time when I don't even feel like for talk and me have a like a problem them. Me not talk, me just do my makeup, me have my 2,000 views. My people them watch me do my makeup. Sometimes me I do get ready with me for go outside and my people them choose on my food wear. Me have my 3,000 views. And you all don't feel like you need mix up on TikTok. Make World Dog turn on in live. One day when your Akim did for have one series, 600 people are watch World Dog. 600 people are watch World Dog live. 600 people are watch World Dog live. 600 are your name World Dog. Him start play one song on him live now called Scratch Scratch. Me don't know who sing that song there now. He start play one song we call Scratch Scratch Scratch. He start scratch up in hood. World Dog live left from 1,000 go 2,000. Him and Akim for do one series. You see, as soon as he done play the song and he start telling people them share out the life for the series, World Dog Live drop back to 500. World Dog Live drop back down to 500. World Dog, there is nobody on TikTok. You're not on the app for no. And every day over here we mix up. We have people, our workplace this. Our workplace with people, no matter how you see them talk down pan way, they love we same way, them and watch we. And only mix up give with views. Sometimes we there and we play with match and we just funny. We just give me sometimes me, Donia and 6 dep on the live and there is no mix up. We not talk about nobody. We just talk about it straight away. And the live is so nice and people, what do you win in one series? It's a quick $800 me make. Bear in mind, you know. And what would you play again? Me, Dummy, Donia, and 6. Before we play series. First 3 strike elimination. Me make a good $800 off of that. And member said them did I get more gift than me. Imagine how much them make. And guess what? Whenever they talk about no blood clot mix up world, we are talk about Vani, Donia, Dummy and 6. We are talking about free we own a business. We are enjoy ourselves. We are play with music and we are laugh. And we have with views and we are make money. And views alone you think about. Views alone you think about. The era where we know drop off. You know when you fall off for your teeth for people them barrel. You know I want to look a petty thief. You should have teeth like me. My teeth people page. People them page on my teeth, them never that make no money per page. Them just have them page a post picture. Them never did that. Them never did that make no money per Instagram. But your teeth people food. You beg people money for pop barrel for buy food and something. And that your teeth. People yard water depend you. You go see Britney a trend and you take with the little girl spotlight. And that's why I say you're Swiss. Hey, you can't come for me now, you know. You can't come for me now. You're Swiss like same thing when you come on to thief in spotlight. You just want to see Smaddy a trend, man. Not watch. Make Smaddy's come trend over here. Them are Swiss and world are go to series. Just notice. As soon as Smaddy start trending and running at them, see there goes series. And as they fall off, you don't see them again. You is a user for make money. Not a user for make money. Well, I'm going to see what can bring you on back. You try it now work. Favorite it now work for you. Your biggest shooter of a favorite you make the man come cuss you off. World Dog on the Instagram live now in the past 400 views. World Dog Instagram the past 400 views. Them take away all your life profile. It's hard for you to get it back. Every day you come over here, but you come back on the app now. We can't even see our league you're in. You can't even reach. You should have reached A league already. You look a bit of your bad mind. You look a bit of your bad mind. And then the boy can't text me. On my Instagram, I can't text me, boy. What? During this is I cuss him off on TikTok. In context, me, boy. It's getting hot in here or something like that. So. Man, if I threaten him, I say, you go turn on your life for me. I just block him off on my Instagram, you know. I block him off on my Instagram. I block him. Because I say, honestly, I never expect that from you. I never expect, out of everybody, I never expect that from you for true. Yeah, him love send threat. Me block him. He must send ice for me. Him love to send threat from people. And the man them wet you up while they here. Look at that. For somebody will love to have people for go suck them mama. You bad man people for them mother, you know. I know we make for your mama dead. Nobody send for your mama go reach for her grave. She could have tired of you, make she just go dead. She feel like she wanted and she just dead. And that be my problem. My mother not dead enough. My mother not dead. My mother there at Jamaica live her life. Me just black she because she had do too much. She had do too much. I'm a black she. My mother not dead. Your love send threat. I make the man them shut you up. Look how you send threat. You the man then come shut up. You should have highly protected.
Mom, no.
I saw when we did there in Miami when he did bad mixture. Trim knows a Swiss leader fucking girl him down there, man Swiss a fuck off, they want a moderator. They name one Van if you see what one, cause they know Van probably that go come talk. Really and truly, me never know talk about the business, but just mind my own business. That's why they kick me out of the Airbnb. And that's why I know see a style thing, cause me Van out to everybody with some look. Me see all some people where they even know stay at the Airbnb and then tell me if you leave. And then when I said to him, say you fuck up. He's a fuck up person for that. You know saying threaten me. And while you threatening me, everybody in the house have gone. I just call the police. The police and nobody in there. Them scatter fast. All of them have gun. All of them have big rifle gun long so. And bend so. Out of the yard. And you go and then me don't go left in peace, you know. Me don't left in peace. And you send threat. I just call them and say big bomber clot rifle over them yard. Our police them go over there. There's not one or Unno to be found. All of Unno scatter on the gun about in the business. Unno should that it stay there. Because Unno live a foreigner, Unno illegal. And everything you can talk about, you're not a family. Well, I mean, I want to get them story from. There is nothing your big family do that my little family don't do. From me have my son, I'm my biggest family dad. Me have my dog, I'm my biggest family dad. Me come a foreign, come and go change you. Come. Mom. Me come a foreign and me send for my dog. My dog is well comfortable and get my dog in a better condition than you. The only thing my dog is rent free. Me have my son, every Christmas. Me and my son put, I told me I go move, me have up my Christmas thing them. And then I make no sense me take down them yeah, right now, when me can just take down everything one time when me a cut. You celebrate Christmas with your family, me celebrate mine with me and my dog and my son. 4th of July, when I go clap clappers, 4th of July, it was me, King Ice and Love go out. Just the same, nothing to stop with. Valentine's Day, yeah, your family are buy on roses and thing. Valentine's Day, me and Ice dress up in our red and we go have dinner. New Year's and me and Ice that again. There is Thanksgiving and me and Ice that and yam turkey. There is nothing what your big family do that my local family not do. Me make sure that my son get everything. Me make sure that my son enjoy every holiday, every celebration, everything. So don't come blood clot run your place, but family this and family. Sometimes family are gonna be on their own downfall. That's why family do no worse than how friend would have do no. You can't tell me say me not no family cause see my son there, my dog downstairs. Oh. So fuck yourself with me. I mean I gonna answer you when you come back, you know. Cause me name come boy you. But that's something never come boy no now, to be honest. I just clip my life. I'm not going to do my thing. And I found a girl I come talk about. As on the year Savannah talk about shot on the run come out. How much I wanna catch chlamydia in her life already? How much I wanna catch gonorrhea already? How much I wanna catch yeast infection already? How much I wanna catch BV or whatever it name? How much I wanna catch some type of infection in her life already? How much I wanna man go no and never yet tell you no and left you no and black you no? I mean I talk about the good, decent people them. Majority of the one them we are eat. Oh, me a sick man. Majority of the one them we are eat come. Them catch something already. But nobody not gonna know cause no care on the business. Me just have to talk and that with me I go come talk. No come talk but be more careful. Oh no me catch you pre, hold on. Wait. We not gonna talk but be more careful because Atlanta man them have AIDS and Atlanta chill out, hush. You know I'm gonna feel look back to you now. Anytime you're something that's too long. Alright, I got you. No talk but be careful, Atlanta man them have AIDS. Girl, AIDS they everywhere in the country. You cannot there with your man and your man go to right now go fuck on you and catch AIDS from somebody and can't come get Unno. I just show you not like me. Me not say what not say no right, you know. Hush. Me not say what not say no right. Yes, you're right 100%. But if we not go buy things, we not go buy it like say it can't reach Unno. When you not fuck man, when you tell man say show me your ID, let's be real. When you meet your man, it could have been all 3 months before you give your man your pussy. I see him give you game. When you fuck your man, you tell your man say make me see your ID. You and a man meet right now. Nowadays, a boy could have tell us say I'm 28 and a boy are 19 and you're not gonna know. Depends on who you take. When you fuck the man them, you ask the man them their age. Sometimes a man can tell us that them are 40 and the man them are 30. You tell man to show me your ID. Majority of Unno for talk truth. When you and the boy them there, you tell the boy say show me a result. Maybe it's a thing Unno can say no. And some Unno too lie in the comments. Lie or not tell lie. Lie. And every man you take up you say show me your doctor results. Lie or not tell. I know every man you take, you say, show me a doctor result. Who reach me can reach blood clot, you know. You come and tell me about a long time I work with chlamydia. I never blood clot catch chlamydia yet. I catch yeast infection and BV. That's it. And it was only go like a something with eyes. Anytime I catch my yeast, them, my sensation, them know enough. Turn around. Chill. You have to wash it off. Anytime I catch my yeast, then my sensation, they know. Yes, yeast infection. That's what I say yeast. Me up on my live and my front start crash. I say, guys, my front are crash me, I'm not hide no up. You know, the ice, anytime in pool, it'll rush him up. Why do that? Oh. When him pool, it making his skin red. And it burn him. Like when you see me I bathe him now, it burn him from the little bottom. Me have a diaper too long. Now me always change him. I must when him asleep. It burn him. My teeth. It's a burn him. The destined cream, but it eat him up more. When I put on the cream, it burn him, it eats him up. I'm afraid to put on one Pampers and then him go